Hi everyone, my name is Abby Cook, and today I will be talking about earthworms, everyone's favorite decomposer. Side note, I do have a bit of a cold right now, so if I sound a little sniffly, I apologize, but we'll just get through the video and it'll be okay. So first, we're going to talk about common and scientific names. So earthworm's scientific name is Lumbricina, and their common name is earthworm or angleworm. So here's an image of what they look like. I'm sure everyone knows, but just in case. Next, we're going to talk about their natural habitat. So an earthworm's natural habitat is pretty much just anywhere near moist soil and dead plant and animal material. Here's an image of that. You can just see them through the different layers of the soil near moisture, and this just kind of shows how far they are able to travel. So food. So how do earthworms get their food? Earthworms get food energy from decaying plant and animal matter. Earthworms actually surface at night and put leaves into their burrow. When the leaf has finally softened, they will begin to munch on it. And here's just my depiction of that. Now we'll talk about their predator and prey relationship. So the answer is earthworms are prey. Earthworms are often hunted by snakes, birds, toads, and even sometimes foxes. Here's little images of those animals. So there's your snakes, toad, bird, and fox. Next, we'll talk about their evolved traits. So earthworms actually have a few unique evolved traits. So these are the formation of setae, which I will show you in just a second, and they kind of help them anchor and move through the dirt. Streamlined shape, so think like a plane, just kind of like more like a narrow, more of a narrow shape, so it's easier for them to move. Circular and longitudinal muscles, which I will also show you in a second. Ability of the pharynx to go out of the mouth, it makes it easier for them to eat. Secretion of coelomic fluid, and then the process of losing moisture through their skin. So here you can see the setae, the little anchors, just help them move. Circular muscles look just like you think they would. Longitudinal muscles are actually on the inside, and this just makes it easier for them to move. And then loss of moisture you can see here. Okay, so now we'll talk about earthworms in the Tree of Life. I did Tree of Life earthworms version for all my Taylor fans. Earthworms are in the kingdom Animalia and the phylum Annelida. And here you can see earthworms right there, and you can see them also right here. And this just shows them in comparison to humans and starfish and other organisms. And then this shows the eukarya branch of the Tree of Life. Now we'll watch this quick video.
So now you can see the earthworm on a more or less pretty dry surface. He's struggling to get around. Especially here you see it. So I try to give him a little drop of water. And now you can see how the earthworm starts to enjoy this nice and wet environment. So now you can see the earthworm.
So there's our little video. I thought that was cool because we've been looking at stuff under the microscope, so I thought it kind of fit. Next, we'll look at their importance. So why are earthworms important to our ecosystem? Earthworms are important to our ecosystem as they bring in oxygen, drain water, and create space for roots. Earthworms are also crucial to our environment as they help to keep our land uncontaminated through bioremediation, which is the use of microbes to clean up contaminated soil and groundwater. And finally, these are my 3 sources. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this and have a great rest of your week.